Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making pap again. If you remember the last pap video, I told you I got two variants, one that is made from millet, one that is made from yellow corn. So today we're going to do the one made with yellow corn. I don't really know if the difference is that much, but there are a lot of people who say, oh, most people prefer millet. Most people that I have asked prefer the one made from millet. I don't know, the light is not too good, but you can see the difference. One is like an off-white, like a cream, and one is like an obvious yellow shade. So the yellow corn is what we are going to be using today. As I said that day, I was just craving akamu, and so I decided to let me just get a few bits, because if I get much I might not take it all. So I picked a little bit of the millet, a little bit of the yellow corn. So this is what I'm having for dinner. I hope you've tried. Have you even tried the recipe from the millet corn? Try it and let me know what you think. And hit the subscribe button, guys. I can't do this alone. I have to do this with you, so please hit the subscribe button. As I did in the other video, I just meshed it a bit into the ceramic bowl. As you can see, this is not on any flame. This is actually on a plastic tray, so that you can see that I'm not using flame. So or any form of heat either. So we're just going to break this down and make sure that it's all creamy and mixed together, but not watery. I think I've found my groove, and the Akamu gods have smiled on me. So I think I've found my grooves. So you're not going to put plenty water, or you're just going to mix it a little, just a little, and make sure that it's creamy. And if it drops from the spoon, you're good to go. Don't add more water, don't add more water at all. Just be very careful in this mixing. So I've gotten a paste that I feel I'm comfortable with, so I'm going to get my super hot water now. Immediately, because this is yellow corn, I think immediately I pour the water, you can notice the difference as opposed to when it was the one with millet. So as usual, I wasn't breathing. I was praying that it would just work. But immediately, because this color is way more visible, so I knew that this was going to be all right if I got the hot water right. So the water was super hot. I'm pouring in, and I'm mixing, and I'm giving a little bit of break to let the hot water work with the mixture as well. So I got to a point where I felt okay, we're good, and then I kept mixing and adding a little bit of water, and our pap is done. This kind of takes faith. You just have to have faith that you got it, so that you don't have to, that you don't add more water. So let me know, what's your preferred way of making pap. Some people don't waste time, they just pour their paste into water on the fire and they turn. I don't like doing that, because it means I have an extra pot to wash. So that's the main reason why I don't like using fire. But for the most part, this is how I make my akamu. How do you make yours? Let me know, what do you like to eat with yours. Today we're having akamu and akara. The last recipe was akamu and moi moi. So I'd like to know, what else do you take your akamu with? You take it with honey, sugar, milk, akara, moi moi, bread. I've had so many mixtures. So I would love to hear how you take yours. So this is done. Since I don't have theme music playing, I'm just going to keep mixing it and showing you and asking you whether you hit the subscribe button. Really, this is super nutritious, by the way. Super nutritious. If you read up on the benefits of corn pap, excellent, especially paired with akara. Awesome. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, you guys. I love you. Thank you. Please hit.